There's this misconception out there that fear isn't real. But let's be real, that's just not true. Fear is as real as it gets, and it can hold us back from so many incredible experiences and opportunities in life. Whether it's a fear of flying, public speaking, or even just talking to your boss, fear is a way of limiting us. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm going to share with you my secret weapon for conquering fear. A tool that I've used for years to overcome every fear that stood in my way. So if you're ready to kick fear to the curb and start living life on your own terms, stick around because I've got some game-changing advice coming your way. Let's do this. Our bodies react similarly to fear and excitement because of our sympathetic nervous system, also known as our fight or flight response. When we face a situation that our brain perceives as either threatening or thrilling, this system kicks into gear. Here's a closer look at why this happens. The trigger. When your brain registers a situation as threatening or thrilling, the sympathetic nervous system is activated. Adrenaline rush. Your body releases a surge of adrenaline. This hormone boosts your heart rate, breathing rate, and blood flow. Body prepares to act. Resources are redirected in your body to prepare for action. Blood flow increases to major muscle groups, your pupils dilate to take in more information, and your sweat glands activate to help cool you down. You might be wondering, why do we feel differently in similar situations, even though our bodies react the same way? Well, it all comes down to how we interpret those physical reactions. When we perceive a situation as threatening, our body's response is seen as negative and we feel anxious. Our minds race and we might want to avoid the situation altogether. On the other hand, when we see a situation as positive challenge or opportunity, our body's response is seen as positive. We feel energized, focused, and motivated to take action. So the next time you're faced with a nerve-wracking situation, try to reframe it in your mind. Instead of seeing it as a threat, view it as a challenge to overcome. You might just find that your body responds in a more positive and empowering way. So here's the deal. Mel Robbins has this amazing technique that can really help with fear. It's all about breaking the fear cycle using a simple 5-second countdown. When you feel fear creeping in, you do this countdown and then shift your focus to a positive, exciting memory. Mel calls it a confidence anchor. By doing this, you can actually change how you interpret those fearful feelings and switch your emotional state from fear to excitement. It's a game changer. Now let's be real. This technique won't magically erase all your fears and anxieties, but it can give you the power to interrupt those feelings and take action. It's a tool that Mel Robbins, the mastermind behind this technique, swears by, and it just might be the game changer you've been looking for. So there you have it. The 5-second rule and confidence anchor. Powerful tools to help you conquer fear and anxiety. Remember, while fear may never completely disappear, you now have the ability to interrupt its grip on you and take decisive action. Whether it's pursuing your dreams, facing challenges head-on, or simply living life with more confidence, these techniques can be your secret weapon. So the next time fear tries to hold you back, just count down for 5 and visualize success. You got this!